In this video, we will look at Seminole County Public Schools' new typing program, Typing Agent 4.0. Currently, we are looking at a teacher admin page inside of Typing Agent. You can tell that it is a teacher admin page because of the teacher admin tab in the top left and Schools Setup, 2 tabs below that. A teacher will have the Classes tab, Progress tab, and then a Class Setup. If you happen to be the admin for your site and would like to set up your classes, you can do so by clicking Create Class, naming that class, choosing an instructor from a list of teachers at your school, selecting the appropriate grade level, and then clicking Create. Once you have created all of your classes, they will show up on the classes page. If you need to delete a class, you can hover over the class and the delete button pops up. To drill down into a class, simply click on the class. Now you are looking at that particular class, and this is what a teacher view would look like inside of their class. The important thing to note on this default tab is that this class code is located in the upper right hand corner. This will need to be given to students in order to enter your class in Typing Agent. All Seminole County School students will be using this portal to log in to Typing Agent. So they will go to portal.seps.k12.fl.us, type in their username and password, which is their student ID, and birth date, 4-digit year, 2-digit month, 2-digit day. Once they're in the portal, they'll find the Typing Agent tile and click on that. The first screen that they get to, they will have to enter their class code. Once they've entered it once, they no longer need that class code. Another code on this page is the parent code. You can click the lock to unlock the parent code and see that a CSV file is created. Each particular student has a unique code for their parents to be able to go in and check their progress. So you can download that CSV file and distribute those codes appropriately. Once your students start entering your class, you will see them start to populate on your class roster. There's no need to print login codes because, as we stated earlier, they will be using the SCPS portal. The next tab is the Activity tab. From here, you will get real-time data as to when your students are logged in and what they are working on. To the right of the Students tab, we have the Curriculum tab. Several different options on this page. This is a 5th grade classroom, so it is the 4th and 5th grade curriculum. If I want to see what that entails, I can click on the Open and see that it is made up of 8 different units, a numeric keypad unit, and then a post-test. If I wanted to drill down even further and see what Unit 1 consisted of, I click the Open button, and I see that these are the different lessons within Unit 1. The first lesson being the F, the J, and the spacebar. To view the lesson, simply click the magnifying glass. To go back out, X out of each of those, and I'm back to looking at all the curriculum. The next tab is Tests. Same process. You can look at the tests that are involved inside of each curriculum by clicking on the Open button. Then I can drill down and see what the pre-test 1 is about. And again, I can view the test if I need to by clicking the magnifying glass. The next tab are Shared Curriculums. These are curriculums that people have designed and have shared with other members in Typing Agent. Mapping would be if you wanted to map out your own curriculum. Typing Agent will soon be teaching students how to type code. It's not yet available, but is coming this fall. And the school testing schedule would be if you wanted to set up a testing schedule for your entire school to make sure that either a particular grade level or your whole school is testing at the same time. The next tab is your Targets tab. The targets are rewards or things that the students earn for getting certain accuracy percentages and words per minute. The grade level expectation would be a 1 star. If they meet their grade level expectation, that's 2, and if they exceed it, it would be 3. All of these fields are editable by clicking in them, and you can change the data that's inside of them and make sure that you click Update to save your changes. The way it is defaulted is that it is not requiring students to earn at least 1 star in order to move on to the next level. So if a student takes a lesson, no matter what they get on it, they are able to move to the next level. unless you check this box, and that requires them to at least earn 1 star, which you can set for your entire group by selecting your class up here, or once your students enter your class, the lists of their names will come down here, so you can change that for individual students to help with differentiating instruction. The next tab we'll look at is the social tab. There is an email client within Typing Agent called SpyMail. It is defaulted to allow the students to only email the teacher or send SpyMail to the teacher. You can disable this feature altogether, or if you wanted to teach proper email etiquette, you can allow students to be able to SpyMail and send messages to each other. To check your SpyMail, that is in this tab. You can see your inbox, you can compose a SpyMail, and you can see the messages that you have sent. Agent Book is similar to Facebook, so you can teach proper etiquette on social media sites. The next tab is a gradebook site, which is pre-populated by Typing Agent. Again, you do have control and the ability to edit any of these fields by clicking in them and changing the data within them. If you do change the data, just make sure that you click Save in the bottom left. Finally, message class. If you'd like to send a message to your entire class that they would see not in their SpyMail, but pops up as soon as they log into Typing Agent, the message class tab would be where you would do that, and then click Compose. You can pre-populate or send those on certain dates, or set it up to send them on dates for the future. To get back to it, you click your Classes tab, and you can go into another class, or the teacher would then be back to the first screen that we looked at. Under Progress, you can get different reports. As an admin level, I can see which classes are doing what on what particular day. As a teacher level, you would see your students and the lessons that they took on those particular days. You can drill down into any of those by simply clicking the View Activities or View Class and how the class did. For individual reports or class reports, you can click on Reports and look through the list of reports that Typing Agent has to offer. If a parent did not access using the parent code and wanted to know how their student is doing, you can type out or print out a report card for a particular class or a particular student. If you have any questions, the help feature is broken up very nicely and easy to use. If you do get messages, SpyMail or messages from Typing Agent, they will appear in the top right. I can see that there are 260 messages above the bell. And there's also another feature. By clicking the question mark, you can ask Typing Agent a question directly. Response rates are fairly quick. You will get a message back I'd say within a couple minutes, and they are very helpful. So that is a quick look at Seminole County's new typing program, Typing Agent. Please have your students get on as soon as possible. This will help them be proficient in FSA and typing and being productive in 21st century skills. Thank you.